This is the 5th Abojani Economic Empowerment Conference. So it is progressive. So last year, the theme was about creating sustainable income and staying power. So staying power, we were just saying if households could have buffers, but now we are going a notch higher in terms of ensuring that households have ownership. So you need to have ownership of productive assets. So productive assets, these are assets whose values can grow over time. You know, if you buy share prices from a listed company and it does well, you can get dividends. Share price can also go up. And you could also have real estate property, rentals that is giving you income and the valuation is going up. You could also have instruments like government securities, debt instruments, but the main key thing is on equity side. If you can own stakes of the companies whose products and services you consume, that would be a great thing because it means that as you spend, you're also getting wealthier and richer. And that's what we want for all African households. So there can be a challenge on household income, but what we start with is information. Once you have the right information, then it means that as an household, if you get some lump sum, maybe you sold a piece of land, you are more likely to invest it than if you don't have information. And we are actually encouraging as many households as possible to get financial education, to get the right information, market insights, to make it a point of interest, because curiosity drives knowledge in the financial markets, and with the knowledge you're likely to make the right decisions. To bring them on board, what you do as Abojani is to make information accessible. So you'll have, like on X, you have very good information. We do good webinars with financial services companies. So those who are curious and those who are interested, once they've joined us on board, usually we encourage them to share with their friends, colleagues, families, and households. If this information is in a language that is relatable to them, then they're likely to respond because it will be like a nudge and a call to action for them to participate in ownership economy. Yeah, so what we can do as a country, what I would say first is to make the information accessible, then create tools such as USSD code, because Kenya is a very good example of innovation in the digital space. So if this product could be accessed through platforms that people use, such as WhatsApp, you know, USSD, and then people are likely to use them. Yeah, so at the end of this conference, usually I just encourage each and everyone who comes to this conference that should work towards saving and investing consistently to our first million Kenya shillings.